Can I program a Cadillac CT6 key fob myself? Yes. For most 2016-2020 Cadillac CT6 models, DIY key fob programming is possible. You can save money by avoiding dealer fees, but it's crucial to follow the correct procedure to prevent issues. Be aware that some advanced OnStar integrated models might require dealer assistance due to security protocols. Use only legitimate OEM or certified aftermarket key fobs to prevent system failures. Cadillac CT6 smart keys rely on RFID technology for secure wireless communication. This enables passive keyless entry, where the car unlocks automatically when you're nearby, and remote keyless entry through button presses. The fob transmits an encrypted code to the car's body control module, or BCM, to perform functions like unlocking doors, starting the engine, and activating alarms. Programming syncs this encrypted code with both the engine control unit and the BCM. Always keep the smart key battery changed regularly to maintain reliable operation. Before programming your Cadillac CT6 key fob, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. You need at least one working key fob already programmed to the vehicle. The new fob requires a fresh CR2032 battery for reliable communication. Consider having an OBD2 scanner available to troubleshoot any body control module errors. Keep your vehicle's manual handy for reference during the procedure. Begin by entering the vehicle with a working key. Insert the key into the ignition and quickly cycle it from off to on 5 times within 5 seconds. Then remove the key. The car will enter programming mode, indicated by horn honks or lights flashing. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. Repeat for additional fobs. Exit mode by cycling the ignition or waiting for the timeout. If your Cadillac CT6 has an active OnStar subscription, you can use the OnStar module to pair a key fob. This method provides a convenient alternative to manual programming. First, ensure your vehicle has an active OnStar subscription. This is required for the OnStar pairing feature. Next, dial *1 on the in-car phone to access the OnStar system. Then, follow the voice prompts provided by OnStar to complete the key fob pairing process. Keep in mind that while OnStar integration simplifies the process, it mainly serves as a supplement to the core manual programming steps for 2016-2020 CT6 models. If programming fails, start by checking for BCM errors with an OBD2 scanner. The code B2B0 specifically indicates a key mismatch issue. Battery issues are common. Always check and replace the key fob battery if needed. Timing errors occur if steps aren't completed within the 30-second window. Follow instructions carefully. Use only OEM or certified aftermarket key fobs to avoid compatibility problems. If issues persist, reset the system by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes. Then try programming again. When programming a Cadillac CT6 key fob yourself, there are important risks and security considerations to keep in mind. First, DIY programming alters your vehicle's security system, potentially making it vulnerable to unauthorized access. Always use only authorized fobs to maintain security integrity. Counterfeit fobs can severely damage your car's system, leading to costly repairs like BCM replacement. Using counterfeit fobs may also cause physical damage to the vehicle. Improper programming can void warranties, particularly on leased vehicles where this is a common issue. In cases of uncertainty, consult a professional to prevent complications and ensure proper setup. Understanding these risks helps protect your vehicle and avoid unnecessary expenses. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting toward digital keys and app-based pairing systems, moving away from traditional physical fobs. Newer Cadillacs now feature digital key technology that uses NFC technology, allowing compatible smartphones to serve as keys for locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle. For 2016-2020 CT6 models, retrofitting digital key capabilities is possible through OnStar software updates, providing access to modern features without hardware changes. As digital solutions become the industry standard, physical key fobs may become obsolete by 2035, replaced by secure smartphone-based systems. To ensure vehicle security, it's important to stay informed about ongoing cybersecurity enhancements and advanced anti-theft measures that protect against evolving threats.